Do you struggle to find low MOQ high-quality connector kits? Introducing our comprehensive Deutsch DT connector kits, suitable for various industries. Perfect for industrial, agricultural, trucking, and more. Available in different series, DT, DTM, DTP, DTHD, HD10. Custom wire sizes and lengths to meet your specific needs. Wide range from 2P to 12P configurations. Designed to withstand harsh environments like dirt, moisture, and salt spray. In-stock items ready for fast delivery. Low MOQ, one set orders accepted. Essential tools available, removal tools, crimp tools, and more. Various terminal types, nickel-plated or gold-plated, crimp type, solid type. Unlock the efficiency and reliability with our Deutsch connector kits. Contact us today.